Have you been noticing more hair falling out lately? Maybe you see strands on your pillow or clogging up the shower drain. It could be a sign that your body is missing some important nutrients. Each strand of hair is made from a protein called keratin, and it grows in very sensitive cycles. Hormone imbalances and nutrient deficiencies, especially a lack of key vitamins, can disrupt these cycles, weakening hair right at the follicles and causing breakage and hair fall. And here's the thing. No fancy shampoo can fix this if the problem is coming from the inside. Adding the right vitamins for hair to your routine can be a simple and effective hair fall treatment that strengthens your hair from the roots up. In this video, I'm going to share 6 essential vitamins that can help repair hair loss, bring back strength, and even stimulate new growth. These vitamins aren't just hype. They're backed by science, and they work with your body to give your hair the support it desperately needs. So whether your goal is to reduce thinning, promote growth, or simply understand why your hair has been struggling, this video is going to give you actionable answers. Before we dive in, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications for weekly insights on natural remedies and health tips. It would also be helpful if you give this video a like. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice or care. First on our list is vitamin A. This vitamin is super important because it is essential for producing sebum, a natural oil that keeps your scalp and hair roots moisturized. Without enough sebum, your scalp becomes dry, which can weaken hair and make it more prone to breakage. Foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and kale are packed with vitamin A, so add these to your meals to help keep your scalp and hair roots healthy. Next up is vitamin B7, also known as biotin. Biotin helps produce keratin, the main protein that makes up each strand of hair. Low levels of biotin can lead to brittle, thinning hair. If you're looking to strengthen each strand from the root up, biotin is a must-have. Taking a biotin supplement or eating foods rich in biotin like eggs, almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and avocados can help make your hair stronger and less likely to fall out. Now, let's talk about vitamin C. This one is a little powerhouse for your hair. Vitamin C helps your body produce collagen, another important protein for hair structure and strength. Collagen keeps hair from becoming weak and breaking easily. Plus, vitamin C protects hair follicles from damage caused by free radicals. Those are harmful particles that can make hair thin and fall out. For extra vitamin C, grab an orange, some strawberries, or add bell peppers to your diet. Next is vitamin D. This is known as the sunshine vitamin because we mostly get it from the sun, but it's essential for healthy hair growth. Vitamin D helps create new hair follicles, which helps your hair grow thicker and stronger. People who don't get enough vitamin D can experience hair loss and thinning. Salmon, mushrooms, cheese, and fortified milk are all good sources, and spending just a few minutes in the sun each day can help boost your vitamin D too. Fifth on our list is vitamin E, a powerful vitamin that protects your hair from damage. Like vitamin C, it's also an antioxidant, which means it helps guard your hair from things that cause it to weaken or fall out. Vitamin E also helps keep your scalp healthy, so hair can grow thicker and shinier. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach are rich in vitamin E, so make sure to get some of these into your daily diet. Last but not least, we have vitamin B3, also known as niacin. Niacin helps improve blood flow to your scalp, bringing more oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicles. When follicles get what they need, hair becomes stronger and less likely to fall out. If you're low on niacin, hair can turn dull and brittle. You can get niacin from foods like chicken, tuna, and whole grains. Remember this: vitamin A for a healthy scalp, biotin for stronger hair strands, vitamin C for collagen support, vitamin D to stimulate growth, vitamin E for protection, and niacin for better scalp circulation. Tackling hair fall from the inside out is the most effective way to give your hair the strength and support it needs. And the best part? You can find these vitamins in everyday foods, so you don't have to rely on expensive products to see results. With just a few tweaks to your diet, you can start giving your hair the support it needs to grow stronger and thicker.